Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this base card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we have to set up a face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select lenses from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to unlock the background layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then select the color overlay. Then click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select the shape tool. Then select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool. Then click on here. Then you have to select the black color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to go to the layer panel and double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then select the pen tool, then you have to click on here. 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 Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this. Then click on the color. Then you have to select the red color again. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then select this, then select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the reverse, then click on here. Then you have to select this layer, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then click on the OK. Then select the shape tool again. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to rotate this. Then you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this, then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK, then select this. Then drag this in here, then select this. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. After that, you have to open this image. You will get the link of this image in the description. After opening the image, you have to unlock the image, then drag this image in here. Then you have to set this image in here. Then you have to decrease the opacity of this image. Then you have to decrease the fill of this image. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select the soft light. Then you have to decrease the opacity again. Then you have to decrease the fill. Then select this layer, then lock this layer. So now you have to include the icons and add some text in here. I am already at the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to drag this text in here. Then you have to select these layers. Then you have to lock these layers. Then select this text. Then set this text in here. That you have to change the color of this. So now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in the mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.